Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for NBA 2K error code 0x8. The error reads, failed with error code 0x8. The DLSS options will be disabled. Before we proceed, I want to let you know that some of the visuals in the video are generated using AI. However, all the information shared has been manually researched by me and is not AI generated. As per our research, the error comes when trying to start NBA 2K25. Players encounter this issue and cannot use DLSS options because of the error. According to our research, this error is likely related to issues with reshade, missing or corrupted DXGI.dll, outdated GPU drivers, antivirus interference, or not running the game with the right permissions. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to restart your device and check if you need to update the game. Once updated, launch the game again and check for the error. If the error still comes, then remove reshade if you have ever installed it. Simply go to your root folder and delete the DXGI.dll file. After deleting, restart the game, and check if this resolves the error. If the error persists, re-download and reinstall your drivers. Make sure to complete the installation and then restart your system. Once done, check for the error again. If the error continues, update your GPU driver. Simply go to your GPU software or manufacturer's website, download the latest driver and install it, then check if the error still comes. If the error doesn't resolve, try running the game as administrator. Right-click on the game launcher and select Run as Administrator, and then check if this helps with the error. At last, if you still get the error, disable your antivirus temporarily and try to launch the game again. Sometimes antivirus software blocks the game files and causes the error. So give this a try and see if this helps. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.